guys, today we've got a Finding Dory Play-Doh toy milkshake. It's got some blind bags in it, some lollipops, and lots of cool stuff. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, first of all, we've got this cool hank. It's got the shell that lifts up. Pretty awesome, right? And you put it back together like that. It's pretty cool. Whoa, whoopsie. Sorry, Hank. It's all right. Okay, we've also got this awesome Play-Doh lollipop. We wouldn't really want to eat that, but on top of it is a Finding Dory lollipop ring, and we can eat this, and it is delicious. Hey guys, it's me, Dory. Don't eat my head. Sorry, Dory, but it's too delicious. Okay, let's open up one of these blind bags. Looks like we got a kitty in my pocket, and it includes 2 hidden kitties. So let's open it up and see what we got. Let's see, how do we open this? Here we go. You get a cute little cat carrier. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. Now let's see what kitties are in here. Ah, look at this, a little fluffy white kitty with a pink bow. Oh, and they're furry, you guys. Wow, those are cool. Okay, what other kitty did we get? Oh my goodness, look at this cute little gray kitty. It comes with a little plant, and it's furry too. It has blue eyes, and it's gray, and it has stripes, and a little blue collar with a yellow tag. Meow! I'm the cutest kitty in all the world. Hey, what about me? Oh, you're okay. This one is Princess. See? She's a Persian cat. And let's see what our little gray kitty is called. Oh, I see. Okay, our gray kitty is Felix. It's a cute name. And he is a classic red tabby. Now let's put them back in their carrier. Get in there, Felix. And you get in there too, Princess. Close up the carrier. Is that not the cutest thing you ever saw? Little tiny kitties in their little tiny kitty carrier. Hey guys, don't worry, I'm not gonna take you to the vet. Okay, let's see what else is in our milkshake. We got a little Dory figurine. And a pearl Play-Doh marshmallow pop. Again, we would not want to eat this because it is made out of Play-Doh, but we can take pearl off. Hey! We've got also a Hank pop. Pull them right out of there. And now we can eat this too. And these aren't gummy, you guys. These are hard candy. Okay, let's see what else is in this milkshake. We have a Shopkins Happy Places blind bag, and it has some Petkins inside. 3 Petkins and 1 tile. So let's open this up. Guys, when I was at Toys R Us buying this, this was the only one left. So I hope it's a good one. I get to pull this tab. Whee! Oh, we got this cool pink tile with flowers on it, little daisies. Let's see what our Petkins are. Oh, awesome. Here's our first one. Oh my goodness. That is too cute. It's some kind of pink bear, but I can't tell what it's supposed to be, but it is probably some kind of bear. Okay, let's see what else we got. Aw, it looks like another little bear, little pink bear, and it looks like it's a journal or a notebook or something, and look at that, it really opens. That's pretty cool. You could put the teeny tiniest little piece of paper in here with a message and give it to someone. Okay, let's see what's in the last one. It's another bear and it's blue, and I think it is it a camera? I think it's a camera, but I don't understand why it has a slit in the top here. See, you guys, it has a slit in the top, but doesn't it look like a camera? I'm guessing it is. Let's look at the sheet of paper and see what these guys are called. Okay, guys, it looks like we got the Dreamy Bear collection. Uh-oh. Get back on there, you little Dreamy Bear. And here's what the Dreamy Bear collection looks like. And we got a lamp, a diary, and this is a camera. I was right, woo! So those are pretty cute, and it looks like you can collect a whole room's worth of Dreamy Bears. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, let's see what else we have in our milkshake. Looks like we have a straw for drinking our Play-Doh milkshake. No way, gross. And it has a Nemo lollipop ring on it. And like I said before, these are hard. They're not gummy, even though they look very much like they would be gummy. They're not. Okay, guys, the last thing in our Play-Doh milkshake is this Squinkies Dewdrops Mystery Villa. You get 2 Squinkies and 1 dew in a villa. So let's open it up and see what we got. Ooh la la. Okay. Come on, open. There we go. I can see something pink, something blue, and something yellow. Let's see what it is. Ah, it's a little pink piggy. Oh my goodness. You are cute. You can go right here. Let's see what the blue one is. Okay. Blue one is, oh, this must be the dew. This is some kind of braided blue hairstyle with a little flower, little ponytail braid. I wonder if this will fit on this piggy. Oh my gosh, guys, that's hilarious. It won't stay on. I must be putting it on wrong. Let's see. There we go. Oh, that looks great on you, Piggy. Do you like it? I don't know, that could mean yes or no, but the pig is smiling, so I guess she likes it. Now, let's see what we have in our last package. Oh, adorable! Oh my gosh! It's a cute little sheep! These are very cute. Okay, let's try the hairdo on our sheep. Sorry, Piggy, I know you liked it, but the sheep wants to try it on. Oh my gosh, that just looks crazy. What if you were out walking and you saw a sheep with this hair? Yeah, so that is the Squinkies Dewdrops Mystery Villa. And I just think they're actually a lot cuter without the weird hairdo. Well, they're all funnier. Okay, now let's see what our Squinkies are called. Looks like we got some from Squinkie Valley Acres. And ours are Sheila Shears, and she's a rare, and Piggy Pinkerton, which is a hilarious name. That's also a rare. Let's see what our hairdo is called. Looks like it's called Brady Doo. Look at some of these hairdos, they're really cool, you guys. Look at this pink one. We definitely have to do some more Squinkies Dewdrops because I like those a lot. Guys, let me know if I should do any more Play-Doh toy milkshake videos, and if so, which ones should I do?